This is a 2002 Toyota Camry. Some issues with the lug nuts. The casing, that's what it looks like over the actual lug nut right there. And these casings are really cheap metal. They look like that when you're done destroying them. And they spin when they get messed up. They spin on the lug nut, so you can't get the lug nut off. Sometimes it can also appear that your lug nut is not tight, or it's just sitting there when actually it's just that casing. So what I've been doing, and this has been working, is, believe it or not, drill a hole in the casing, then I pry it up with some needle nose pliers, and then tap with like a chisel the edge so all of this is taken off. Then I pull it out and you can take the lug nut off that way. Then I went to the parts store and got solid chrome lug nuts so this won't happen again, from a local auto parts store, and they're beautiful. In fact, I'll show you what they look like when it's done. That's what they look like there, and I won't have that problem again because they're solid now.